Hello again, D11. My name is FWM Giancarlo Rosario, and right now we will be talking about how to set an appointment sa mga clients na na-prospect and approach natin. So how to effectively set a meeting or appointment with your clients. So over the years, no, I have formulated rules on how to set an appointment kasi it's really important as well na magaling tayo mag-set ng appointment sa mga clients na prospect and mga nakausap natin. So rule number one, no, as much as possible, always set the meeting according to your schedule para mas ma-appreciate natin yung work natin as financial advisors, no, na tayo yung nagsiset ng mga schedules natin. As much as possible, kung kailan tayo libre, doon din tayo magsiset ng appointment. Kasi para hindi natin masagasaan yung ibang mga priorities natin. Ito yung isa sa mga ito yung isa sa mga pinamagandang um, benefits natin as a financial advisor because of the flexibility ng mga schedules natin. So, rule number two, always give at least two options for the date and time for the meeting and appointment. Para din naman, no, merong options yung mga clients natin. Magbigay tayo ng at least dalawang options para sa mga clients natin. Let's say, for example, no, hi Mr. Client, available po ba tayo on Monday or Tuesday? Tapos papapiliin natin si client natin kung ano yung day. Let's say for example, pwede po ako ng Tuesday. Okay. After nyo nakabaka-decide ng day, dun mo na siya tatanungin kung ano yung available niya na time. So let's say for example, so kung available kayo Mr. Client ng Tuesday, are you available on at 10 a.m. or 2 p.m. or at 6 p.m.? So ganun, no? So ganun tayo mag-set ng appointment. So yun siya, pag nagbigay tayo ng time, syempre, according pa rin siya sa schedule natin. So, let's say for example, at 10 a.m. para hindi masyado maaga, kakagising mo lang, no? Gising na yung nakapagkape ka na, or 2 p.m. para tapos na yung lunch mo, or at 6 p.m. naman kung tapos na yung dinner mo. So, ganun siya. And rule number three, never give the power to your client when setting a meeting or appointment. So what do I mean about the power? Kasi isa sa mga common na mistakes ng mga client, ng mga financial advisors is that binibigay natin yung power sa mga clients natin. So example itong power is that ini-end natin yung conversation natin sa balikan na lang kita, sir, balikan na lang kita, ma'am, no, kung available na ako. So, dapat hindi po natin ini-end yung conversation natin with our client sa ganun. Dapat at the end of the conversation, nasa atin pa rin ang bola. So, example nito is, let's say for example, nagsabi si client mo na, balikan na lang po kita pag available na ako. Pwede nyo i-reply sa client nyo na, siniset ko po kasi yung schedule ko during this week, for the week. So, available po ako during these dates, during these times. No? Kasi yung iniiwasan po natin dito is yung mga heartbreaks dito sa industry. No? In order for us to avoid those heartbreaks, para din malaman natin kung serious si clients natin, dapat nasa atin palagi yung bola when we set an appointment. No? So always give always give the date and time palagi. And dun mo rin malalaman kung talagang seryoso si client mo na makipag-meet sa'yo. So ito yung mga examples ng pag-set ko ng appointments over the past few years. Ayan. Free ka ba tomorrow morning like mga 10 a.m.? I'll update you, sir. Meron lang akong aasikasuhin sa morning. We can set naman kung when ka sure na free. Usually, what time ka ba free, sir? After lunch bukas, free ka ba? May message kita pero free ka ba the whole day tomorrow? Hindi may dinner ako bukas. So, mga free time ko bukas is at 10 a.m. or after lunch ng 2 p.m. How about weekdays? Yeah. Pwede naman ako Monday ng lunch. Sige, Monday after lunch or lunchtime ka free. After lunch lang, Sir Jean. Sige, 2 p.m. tayo sa Monday. See ya via Zoom. Yes, send ako link sa Monday. Ganyan. Example number 2. Details please. So, hello sir, are you in the Philippines? So, ito siya yung client ko na nasa Qatar pa. Qatar po, are you coming home po ba? I'm planning kaya lang timing pa sir depende sa COVID situation. Ayun, pwede tayo mag-set ng meeting when you're home. Kasi di din pwede pag nasa ibang bansa, which is true. Kailangan nasa PH soil. Pwede mo ba ako bigyan ng idea via Zoom kahit 15 minutes lang? Sige sir, set natin. when I get back sa Manila. Okay, please let me know your availability. Thanks. Will message you pag nasa Manila na ako, sir. When pala plan mo mag-uwi? To give an idea, sir, prefer ko kasi investment with medical coverage. Sana makauwi by March or Feb. So, malapit na din pala. So, April 15, sabi ko, hello Nestor, when nga balik mo abroad? Free ka ba on the 20th for a Zoom meeting? 28th of April. Ayan, sure. Hello, okay sa'yo 2 p.m. on the 20th. Balikan kita, sir. Need to finalize lang ng sked natin. Follow up ako sa'yo tomorrow. Ayan, hindi ko binigay sa kanya yung power. Hello Nestor, tuloy na tayo. Tomorrow 2 p.m. Hi, pwede bang earlier? 10 a.m. pwede. So, nagkita na kami by 10 a.m. Yeah. So, example number 3, Dong, pa-compute naman, then I'll check when can we can set a meeting. Lahat naman ng proposals ko are tailored to fit for clients. Mag-financial coaching tayo. San ka? Let's meet halfway. Free on the 5th. Makati, I have a meeting on the 5th day. I can do weekdays. So 7th, can? Kahit Greenbelt lang. Okay, sure. Wala ka pa bang insurance or na-presenta ka na ba before? Actually, meron ako health. May nag-presenta rin sa akin for life pero di ko pa nag-go. As tigil ako options. Okay, I see. Pwede tayo initial meeting sa Zoom muna. Less than an hour lang siya. Tapos if maka-decide ka na, pwede tayo meet personally. Not tonight, not feeling well. Pwede Friday tayo Zoom. Friday is okay. Okay sa'yo, 10 a.m. or 2 p.m. 10 a.m. Friday is fine. Sure, 10 a.m. is free. Sure, 10 a.m. it is. See you on Friday. So, ganun lang po tayo. So, napapansin nyo, I never give the power to my clients. So, I always have, nasa akin palagi yung bola, no, when deciding when to meet. So, doon na malalaman ko na serious si client sa pagkuha ng insurance. That ends my discussion. Thank you so much and good luck sa pag set ng appointments with your clients, D11.